in this lecture, we're going to be learning about clipping masks in Adobe Illustrator. Clipping masks are a way to reveal or hide parts of a design or an object. Okay, and it's pretty much very popular. It's very popular stuff. And so, like I said, clipping masks help us reveal or hide parts of an object or a design. So let's start by placing a design or a picture rather. And okay, this is the picture we're going to be using. So come to the folder for this module and you're going to see this image. It's titled pets and then some numbers. So select the image and place. Now you can drag and now we have the image here. Okay, so now we're going to be using this image to kind of create a clipping mask. So like I said, a clipping mask or clipping masks can be used to reveal certain parts of an image while hiding the others. Okay, so let's assume we want to reveal just the head of this guy. So all we need to do is to create, say, a shape around the head. Okay, like this. Let's see, this is what we want to achieve. Want it to be in a circular format, and the next thing we'll do is to select the shape. Okay, you have to select the shape and you have to select then the image and then right click, or if you do not want to right click, you can also go to object, go to clipping mask and make. Okay, so now you see this is what we have. So you can either do that or you can right click and then make clipping mask. Okay, or you can use the shortcut instead, that's Ctrl+7. So if you do Ctrl+7, it's going to mask out that shape. So as you can see now, all of the parts of the picture is hidden. We only have the head revealed. Okay, so if you double click, you actually go into the clipping mask and you can actually edit stuff. You can select the image and move it. Okay, you can move the image or you can move the shape. Okay, you can move the shape. Okay, so that's how we work with clipping masks. So in order to use clipping masks, you have to have, first of all, a vector shape. So the vector shape has to be the one that will be on top. Okay, so it has to be the vector shape on top, and then an image or another shape under it. So in this case we have an image and then we have a vector shape. Okay, so we can have it like this. Select all of them and then make clipping masks, and as you can see now we've revealed this guy. Okay, now what if we want to have more than one parts of this image maxed out? Okay, what if we want to have more than one parts of the image maxed out? Like, let's say we want to have this one and we want to have this one like this. Okay, maybe we want to have this part. So select everything now, right click, then make clipping marks. Now we can see that it's not working, right? It's not working because there are separate shapes. So I just undid it, and the only way to do this is to make them a compound path. So select all of them. That's selecting while holding down shift. Okay, then come to object, then come to compound path and make. So it's also Ctrl+8. So you can use Ctrl+8 for compound part and then Ctrl+7 for clipping masks. But now they are a compound part and now they are like a single shape or a group. Okay, and we can actually go into them, kind of adjust them individually like this. So we can now select the compound parts and then select our image and right click and make clipping masks. Now you can see that now we have different parts of our image revealed. Okay, so that's that about clipping masks. So we can release, and now we have our images or our image back and our shapes back. So basically guys, that's it about clipping mask, and in the next lecture we should be learning about texts and how to use texts in Adobe Illustrator. Hey, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. We post new videos every week covering topics in the fields of graphic design and illustration, motion graphics and video, branding, and more. If you want to support us and get access to exclusive benefits such as the project files we use in our classes, a live chat with us, shoutouts, and more, consider becoming a patron on Patreon. You can join for as little as $3 a month, and the link to our Patreon page is in the description below. And if you want to take your learning to the next level, you can check out the complete course, of which this episode is a part of. And in the complete course, you get access to more than 10 hours of video lessons, project files and resources, class exercises, a Q&A section, a certificate of completion, and more. You can get the course for a special discount by using the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.